Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Neha, and this is my channel, which actually simplifies the subject of biochemistry because I know it is so difficult to remember things. There are so many names, and there are so many enzymes, and many more. So it is something difficult. So I have designed few tricks to remember this subject. I hope they will actually help you to learn it. Now, my first topic of today is glycosaminoglycans, and of course, you all know what is glycosaminoglycans. But there are five GAGs which is mentioned in our biochemistry, but their monomeric units are quite difficult to remember. I have just devised out a trick to remember it. The first glycosaminoglycans is hyaluronic acid. So there are two basically monomeric units of which glycosaminoglycans are made up of, like hexosuronic acid and hexosamine. Of course, you know what is hexosuronic acid and hexosamine. In case if you find difficult to remember it also, please mention in the comment section and I will make up a video for that as well. So the trick which I have made to remember it is this table. First you make this table, or you just take a screenshot of this table. Then I will show you how to remember it. Like there are two glycosaminoglycans, like first is hyaluronic acid and second is heparin. Both of them start with H, so I have written them one above the another. So the monomeric unit of them is in hexosuronic acid is D-glucuronic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. Now of course you must be knowing that this glycosaminoglycan is made up of two monomeric units, glucuronic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. So one of the monomeric unit will always be a uronic acid, which is glucuronic acid, and another is an amine sugar, that is glucosamine. Both of them are glucose. In that means in hyaluronic acid, in the spelling U is coming like U and L. So I have remembered it like from L I remember it as a double U. That means in both the monomeric units there will be U, glucuronic acid and glucosamine. D, glucuronic acid and acetyl glucosamine. So that's the basic glycosaminoglycans. If it comes to heparin, glucuronic acid changes to iduronic acid. Otherwise, it is same except it has 6 sulfate in its structure. So N-acetyl glucosamine 6 sulfate. They both are same, just they have sulfate in their structure, and over here is glucuronic acid, and in heparin it is iduronic acid. Next, so I think it is easy to remember them now. Both of them start with H. Both of them have glucuronic acid in their structure. In case of heparin, it is L-iduronic acid. Otherwise this one and this one, they both have glucose, and it is all glucose in its structure. Now we come to keratin sulfate. Again, when it comes to the monomeric unit, keratin sulfate is an exception. We all know that it does not contain any uronic acid. It contains galactose, plain galactose in its structure. And from keratin sulfate, we can see again this is N-acetyl glucosamine 6 sulfate. So N-acetyl glucosamine 6 sulfate, N-acetyl glucosamine 6 sulfate. All the three are same except this one does not have sulfate, and this keratin sulfate does not have uronic acid. It is otherwise hyaluronic acid has glucuronic acid and heparin has iduronic acid. So all three are easy to remember. Now we come back to chondroitin and dermatan, like A, B, C, D. C for chondroitin sulfate, D for dermatan sulfate. C and D, they are together placed in alphabets, so I have named them together. And from this thing we have a slight change in the monomeric units. We can see in all in hyaluronic, heparin and keratin they have glucose, but from chondroitin we can see from C and D, when they are arranged alphabetically, there is galactose as a monomeric unit. N-acetyl galactosamine 4 sulfate, N-acetyl galactosamine 4 sulfate. Now 4 sulfate is easy to remember because galactose is the fourth aptamer of glucose, so we can definitely remember it 4. N-acetyl galactosamine 4 sulfate, N-acetyl galactosamine 4 sulfate. When it comes to uronic acid as a monomer, chondroitin sulfate again has glucuronic acid, and dermatan sulfate can be copied from heparin having iduronic acid, like a D-glucuronic acid and L-iduronic acid. The very same monomeric units are being copied. D-glucuronic acid, L-iduronic acid Only one exception, keratin sulfate, which contains galactose, no uronic acid in structure. So by this table, it is very easy to memorize all the monomeric units of the GAGs, and by making this table in any examination, we can get full marks. I think the tricks you have understood. If there is any problem, please let me know in the comment section. I will reply to all your comments. Thank you, friends.